Okay, that's fine, but you don't want to show a fixed progress, but one decided from outside of the progress bar, right? So to do so, what you need is to create a property in your progress bar that is decorated with the input decorator. So in progress bar component, I write this at input, this is the input decorator. I create this property progress, type number, initial value 0. You have to import this input, so I import it directly. This is from Angular core. So the same way I importing the component decorator, I have to import the input decorator. So what's the benefit of the input decorator? Well, right now I can access this progress property from outside of my component. So from app component where I'm using this app progress bar, I can set this progress property. So I can pass it here the value of 50, for example. This must be in a string that will be interpreted as a number, because that's how I define the progress property. So I've got the input, I'm receiving the value from outside, but I'm not updating yet the value of the progress on the view side. So I'm going to the template, and what I'm going to do is a binding to the width property of the style of this element and using the percentage. So brackets, because this is a property binding, style.width, and I say bind it to the progress property, but indicating with the percentage that this will be a percentage value. Nice, huh? Not all the CSS properties allows you to do this kind of binding, but Angular is mapping the main properties of CSS. So in fact you can do this with a lot of style properties. In this case, the style width and with a percentage. Here I'm saying, okay, please put inside the result of the progress property. And this progress property is available on the template used by his own component. Remember, this is the input we are using from the outside of the component. So the results. Right now we have a 50% progress, and this value is not defined by the own progress bar component, but is decided in the parent component of the progress bar.